Imagine waking up and realizing your boss is an AI, or that your girlfriend's sweet messages were actually written by ChatGPT. Okay, bit dramatic, but not totally off. Because today we're talking about the AI that changed everything. Work? Changed. Art? Changed. School? Yeah, that too. But here's the thing, this isn't sci-fi. It's now, and it's kinda hilarious, kinda terrifying. Let's talk about it. So where did this all begin? With a little chatbot that got way too smart. In late 2022, OpenAI dropped ChatGPT, a language model that could chat like a person, write essays, make jokes, give advice, and sound smarter than most of us after coffee. At first, people used it for dumb stuff. Write me a rap about chicken nuggets. Do my homework, but make it sound like I wrote it half asleep. But then things escalated. People started using it for real work, coding, emails, writing books, making money, building businesses. Suddenly, it wasn't just a chatbot. It was a revolution in your pocket. And honestly, the world wasn't ready. After ChatGPT, the floodgates opened. We got Midjourney for turning words into stunning art. Doll for making weirdly realistic pictures of cats in suits. Sora, for generating entire videos and even AI tools that can make full websites, edit podcasts, clone your voice. This stuff got powerful fast. It went from LOL, funny AI, to this just replaced 3 people on my team. And it raised a big question. Is AI here to replace us? Or help us? Honestly, kinda both. Let's be real. Every time a new technology shows up, people panic. When cars were invented, some folks wanted to ban them because they scared horses. Same energy now. AI is scary because it's good. It can write better than some writers. It can code faster than some devs. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't procrastinate. It doesn't get distracted by TikTok. But here's the twist. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing people who don't use AI. The smartest folks? They're learning to work with AI, not against it. New jobs are popping up too. Prompt engineers, AI ethicists. Yes, that's a real thing. AI content curators. So the question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, am I learning to use the tools or ignoring them? Even if you've never used ChatGPT or DALL-E or any of these tools, AI is already all over your life. It recommends your Netflix shows, filters your spam, sorts your photos, powers your Google searches. Probably helped write a few articles you've read today. And with open source models like Llama, Mistral, and Claude, regular people can now build crazy powerful AI tools from home. We've basically entered the everyone has superpowers phase of the internet. The problem? Not everyone knows how to use them yet. So we're living in this weird transition where AI is super advanced. But most people are still like, wait, how do I make it write my emails again? So, where does this all go? Will AI become our overlord? Or will it just help us find better cat videos? Honestly, the future depends on us. AI is just a tool, a wild, powerful, slightly chaotic tool. It can help you become more creative, more productive, maybe even more successful. Or it can make you lazy and weirdly dependent on robots. That part's up to you. Now I want to hear from you. Are you excited about AI? Scared? Already using it? Drop a comment. I'm reading them all, or at least pretending to. Like the video if you learned something, subscribe if you want more tech breakdowns that are actually fun to watch, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Next time, we're diving into AI that can read your mind. Yeah, it's a thing. See you there. Hi.